Hello and welcome, learners. We are going to continue with our first unit in mathematics for standard 8. The unit is whole numbers, operations on whole numbers, operations on whole numbers. Today we start by focusing on what we call combined operations. Combined operations. In our previous lessons, we've been learning how to carry out operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division separately. Today, we want to see how to carry out operations on problems where the operations are combined. And before we look at some examples, I want you to write down this point, that as a rule, the order of working out combined operations is done step by step. Where you have a problem having many operations, as a rule, you work them out step by step. Generally known as, this rule is generally known as BODMAS, where B says you first work out what is in the bracket. If you have an operation where, if you have a problem that has a bracket and other operations, then as a rule, you first work out what is in the bracket. Then if a problem has of, okay, replace of with multiplication, then work it out. If an operation has a multiplication like of like this, okay, replace this of with multiplication sign, then work out. D is a operation of division. This is operation of division. M is operation of multiplication. A stands for addition. These are abbreviations, addition. Then S, subtraction. This order has to be followed when you are working out combined operations. First, work out what is in the bracket. Second, if you have of, replace it with multiplication sign, then work it out. Then next step is to move on to division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. BODMAS. So let us have some examples from your book. Examples from your book here. That is on page 7. Page 7, exercise 7. Page 7, exercise 7. It reads, work out, these are examples, work out question 2, 18 times 3 minus 51 divide by 3. You see, these are combined operations. Combined, we have the multiplication, we have subtraction and division. As a rule, you need to work this out step by step following BODMAS. You can see from this problem there is no bracket. So we check, the next one is off. There is no off in this operation. Third one is division. So the next is division. We will divide first. So 18 times 3 minus 51 divided by 3. First we divide. So 51 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 once, 2. This is 3. 21, 7. So first we divide 51 by 3 to give us, so we will have 18 times 3 minus 51 divided by 3, we've seen is equal to 17. So we've done the division. Okay. Following this rule, we start with the division because there is no bracket, there is no off. The next is division followed by multiplication. So we come here and multiply 18 by 3, which is equal to 54. So 18 times 3, 54 minus 17. 54 minus 17. Then we move on to the last operation, which is subtraction. It's the only remaining operation. So 54, 17 is equal to 7 here. Then 37. So the answer, 37. So we have worked out the first problem, and the answer is 37. Let's try number 3 from your book. Number 3, work out 6 plus 12 times 6 into bracket divide by 3. Divide by 3. This is the problem. As a rule, follow the order, BODMAS. Start with the bracket, work out with what is in the bracket. 6 plus 12 times 6 divide by 3, bracket first. So we'll have 6, this 6, work out what is in the bracket first. 12 times 6 is equal to 72. So 12 times 6, 72, divide by this division, divide by 3. Divide by 3. We have worked out the first operation, which is bracket. Then we move on to the next one, and we see here we have plus and division. Following BODMAS, division comes first. So we divide 72 by 3. 3 goes into 7 twice. 6, 12, 4. It's equal to 24. It's equal to 6 plus 24. Then the last operation, 6 plus 24 which gives us 30, So that is our second example. We can take another example. Let's take a longer one. Question 6. Work out 28 times 5 minus 60 divided by 12 plus 30 times 4. 28 times 5 minus 60 divided by 12 plus 30 times 4. BODMAS. There is no bracket, there is no off. Next, after the 2 is division. So we'll come here and divide. So we write 28 times 5 minus 60 divided by 12 gives us 5. So we have done the first operation, which is division, plus 30 times 4. The next operation is multiplication. We multiply this 28 by 5. 28 times 5 gives us 140. So this is 140 minus 5 plus multiplication again. 30 times 4 is 120. The next step is addition and subtraction. So we can rewrite this to 140. This is positive 140. We put together positive 120. So 120 minus 5. Positive 140 plus positive 120 minus 5. 140 plus 120 is equal to 260. This is 260. After adding the 260 minus 5 giving us 255. So 255 is the answer. 255 is the answer. And we can try out last example. We can do together. Example, this is question number 7. Question number 7 from your book. Okay, exercise 7. Work out 360 divided by 120 times 3. This is a bracket, plus 11 times 4 minus 60 divided by 15. So these are how many operations? 1, division, bracket, addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So work out what is in the bracket. Work out what is in the bracket first. 360. In the bracket we have 120 times 3 giving us 360 plus 11 times 4 minus 60 divided by 15. That's the first operation. Next operation is division. Divide 360 by 360 is equal to 1 plus 11 times 4 minus 60 divided by 15. We are dividing. 60 divided by 15 is equal to 4. So we have carried out the operation of division. The next one is multiplication. We multiply this. This is 1 plus 11 times 4 is equal to 44 minus 4. 44 minus 4. Then we add and subtract. Add 1 plus 44 is 45 minus 4. 45 minus 4 is equal to 41. So 41 is the answer. Thank you for attending our today's lesson. We have learned how to carry out combined operations. Make sure you do the rest. We have done question 2 together, question 3, question 6, question 7. Go and work out the rest of the questions, and God bless you.